Hoppa! Hoppa! Karimara, everybody. Today we're making Greek salad two ways, traditional Greek style and North American. If you've ever had an actual Greek salad in Greece, then you already know that the first thing you start with is a nice ripe tomato. And that's just what we're gonna do. The humble cucumber. Doesn't have to be fancy, but why not just a little bit? And of course, a red onion. Why a red onion, you ask? I have no idea, but it looks really nice. Now in a Greek salad, I like my vegetables nice and chunky, but it's your preference. And the second most important part of the Greek salad, olives. People often ask, what kind of olives go in a Greek salad? Greek olives, of course. A nice pitted or unpitted Kalamata. Now, in my opinion, in North America, we tend to over-flavor our dressings for our salad. So this is going to be fresh, flavorful, and just perfect. Some fresh lemon juice. The most important ingredient that's going to set this whole thing off is some richness and some saltiness, feta cheese. Goes right on top. And of course, some good quality Greek olive oil. Finish that off with a crack of black pepper. And that's it. You've got a perfect traditional Greek salad. Ouzo time. Hoppa! What a great way to finish the Greek salad. Start the American version, I guess. As they say, when in Kentucky. So unlike the Greek version, the American version, of course, starts with a fresh head of lettuce. Now, in my humble opinion, restaurants only use the lettuce in a Greek salad as filler. So, for my Greek version, I've already got my olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions ready to go. We'll just add that to our lettuce in the bowl, and then we'll make the dressing. So for the dressing, I'm gonna make this super simple and super fast. Olive oil, fresh oregano, fresh garlic, salt, pepper, and red wine vinegar. Just shake the living crap out of it and you've got yourself a traditional North American style Greek salad dressing. Now let's finish this off. We'll add the feta in the dressing because I'm really starting to get hungry. So for my vegetarian friends, this is the end of the road for you. You've got your dinner. But for everybody else, and my Greek friends in particular, don't worry, because I did smoke a pork loin. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make. Head over to cookchannel.com for these and other great recipes. And until next time, get your ass in the kitchen. Starts with, that was too slow. I don't know why I thought I could catch that without looking. It's with.